is it specific for a certain age, or is it true for almost all ages? Of course, excluding the babies who are sleeping all day and wake up only when the parents want to sleep.
Good question, Ahmed. The duration of sleep that is required for human beings, it varies. When you are, as you said, when you are born, you definitely need more sleep, as much as 22 hours, 20 to 22 hours with newborns, and gradually there is a shift in sleep stages and the amount of sleep you need, and it continues to happen. In preteens and teens, they still require more sleep, and this is important for the growth. This is important for the memory consolidation, for synaptic or the neurons where they're linked together for the connections to build up. But as we are going into an adult, the requirement is still the same that I told you, 7 to 8 hours. And that's what should be consistently throughout the age. Now, it leads to in certain categories where your preteens or teens, then they tend to sleep longer or at times which are not generally accepted or do not align with the societal norms or our requirements. But generally speaking, for an adult, 7 to 8 hours is a good time, is agreed upon timing. For teens, it may be 9 to 10 hours required time, but the timing is also important. What time you are going to bed and what time you're waking up. And I believe we can go into further details about the chronotypes of what time is right, what time is pathological, what time is doesn't align with the societal norms.
Yeah, if you want to expand on that, please go ahead.